Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you one of the easiest, quickest, and most budget-friendly recipes you can make. A delicious no-bake yogurt cake. It's a fresh, light dessert that's perfect for any occasion, and the best part is that it comes together in just a few moments. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. For this super simple cake, you'll only need a handful of ingredients. First, about 120 grams of cookies. Any kind you like will work. Then, you'll need 60 grams of butter. For the filling, grab 3 natural yogurts. You can use Greek yogurt for an even creamier texture. You'll also need 400 milliliters of milk, 80 grams of sugar, and 3 sheets of unflavored gelatin. And for an optional decoration, have some of your favorite jam or some fresh fruit ready. Let's begin with the base. Crush your cookies until they turn into a fine powder. While you're doing that, melt the butter in the microwave. Now, mix the crushed cookies with the melted butter until a compact dough forms. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a springform pan, using the back of a spoon to make it nice and even. Pop it into the freezer for about 15 minutes to let it set and harden up. While the base is chilling, let's move on to the creamy filling. Start by hydrating the gelatin sheets in a bowl of cold water for a few minutes. In a saucepan, over medium heat, gently warm the milk with the sugar, stirring continuously until the sugar dissolves completely. Be careful not to let it boil. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. Squeeze the excess water from the gelatin sheets and add them to the warm milk. Stir vigorously until the gelatin is completely dissolved into the mixture. Now it's time to add the 3 yogurts. Keep stirring until you have a smooth, homogeneous cream. Go ahead and take your pan with the cookie base out of the freezer. Carefully pour the yogurt cream mixture over the top. Use a spatula to smooth the surface so it's perfectly level. And now for the hardest part. Being patient. Cover the cake and place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 to 6 hours. For the best results, though, I really recommend leaving it overnight to make sure it sets perfectly. After your cake is nice and firm, it's time for the big reveal. Carefully release it from the springform pan. You can serve it just as it is, because it's already delicious. Or you can take it to the next level by decorating it. A layer of your favorite jam on top works wonderfully. Or you can add some fresh fruit like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries for a beautiful finish. And there you have it, a super easy, affordable, and incredibly tasty yogurt cake. It's a light dessert that everyone is sure to love. I really hope you give it a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. I'll see you in the next recipe.